Are you looking for conduits that offer safety and durability? Ctube's low-smoke halogen-free conduits may be the good choice. Low-smoke halogen-free conduit, also called HFT conduit. The term HFT represents halogen-free, fire-resistant, and temperature stability. These are the distinguished features of low-smoke halogen-free conduits. With more cables in buildings today, there is a greater fuel load in the event of a fire. Fire risks are higher. The damage caused by some fires has drawn public attention to low-smoke halogen-free system. Compared to other PVC conduits, low-smoke halogen-free conduit emits no toxic gases, and there is more fire-resistant. Compared to metal conduits, they will not rust or corrode. Today we introduce rigid conduit of Ctube's low-smoke halogen-free series. Rigid conduit is characterized by solidity, resistance to pressure and impact. Ctube offers both heavy-duty and medium-duty options. Compression resistance are 1,250 Newton per 5 cm and 750 Newton per 5 cm respectively. Our conduits resist extreme temperatures from -45 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. They are UV resistant, waterproof, and have a V0 fire rating. Insulation resistance is more than 100 mOhm, withstand 2000 voltage with no breakdown. Comply with CE, IEC, UL certified. Reliable performance make them ideal for high traffic areas like shopping centers, schools, hospitals, and etc. As a global professional low-smoke halogen-free conduit manufacturer and supplier, Ctube offers low-smoke halogen-free rigid conduits in sizes ranging from 20 to 150 mm. In order to meet the requirements of different projects, we offer customization service, available in white, black, and gray. We accept thickness and color customization. That's all we share today. Thanks for watching, and for more information, follow our channel.